Welcome everyone. Now that we've learned more about grains, let's make some pancakes together. If you can count to 1, 2, 3, then you are all set. Let's begin. You're going to need one bowl, one whisk, and a few ingredients. You have 3 dry and 3 wet. We're going to start with 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. For your wet ingredients, you have 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg that's been whisked, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to start by putting the dry ingredients in the bowl, but first, I want you to feel the flour you're using. It's been milled from grains or from the plant that it grows from. How does it feel now? Once you have your dry ingredients, you're going to give them a quick whisk until they're incorporated. And now here's one of my favorite parts. You're going to make a little well with your fingers at the bottom of your bowl. This is where your wet ingredients are going to go. And you're ready to mix. Just like that, you're going to whisk between 10 to 15 times until your batter comes together. Looks great. You're going to let your batter sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while you let your griddle or pan warm up. My griddle here is set to 375 degrees, or your pan can be set to a medium heat. I'm going to ladle about a 1/4 cup of the batter, and making it as even as I can. Now we're going to set a timer for 2 minutes. That's about as long as it'll take the bottom side to cook. You're going to be watching for bubbles to form on top. And once all of the bubbles have formed, you know it's ready to flip. And just like that, you're going to let the pancake cook on the other side for about a minute. And then you can plate it up. I have some berries here, some strawberries and some blueberries that I use to decorate my pancakes. You can make whatever designs or faces you'd like. Bon appetit! We hope you enjoy, and let us know if you try it out.